Hey guys, thank you for your questions. So to answer some of the questions, I tried putting on the Mac Retro K2 PBT keycaps here on my K3. As you can see, it works. Yeah, basically the stem is the same. You can just put it here like no sweat, and it works. You can just notice the difference on the height there though. So this is the using K3 switch and using the original K3 keycaps, so you can see the height difference there. So once you struck a key using the K2 keycap, you can see that it will go out until the bottom of the board like this. So I think I should have used the blue switch here so you can hear the click, but yeah, it still works. Just notice the height difference, and um luckily for the K2 it works with the K3 as well, but you can notice the height difference too. So yeah, hope that helps. Thanks.